James Hemings agrees to come to Monticello to cook. He has acquired a fabulous repertory of foods that really demand a much more tender style, and that's where the stew stove comes in. You could use that beautiful assemblage of pans that come back from Paris, what pans that really could not have withstood the intense heats that would have been in a hearth. He's got the ability to really saute, to really braise very quickly in a small pan. He could make a beautiful sauce using cream and butter that just barely simmered. He could melt cheese. He could gently poach fish till it was just absolutely translucent. It allows for very tender cooking and very rich cooking. And that's what he would have learned in Paris and could then amend this beautiful, rich Virginia foundation of food. The lamb, the chickens, the local fish, the beautiful vegetables that was always there. And the stew stove allowed him to do that.